Look, before you trust any EA with your life capital, you need data, not just hope. You need to backtest it with years of data to see its performance. So on today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to backtest an EA on MetaTrader 5 using my own personal bots for the Nova Master EA. We'll backtest it from 2020 all the way to 2026 to see its behavior each year on different market cycle. So let's jump right to my screen.
Okay, backtesting on the MetaTrader 5 is very, very easy. What you want to do is look for your strategy tester on MetaTrader 5. This is mine here. This is what it looks like. This is what's called strategy tester on MetaTrader 5. If yours is not showing, you come up left of your screen where you see file. Don't click on file, click on view. Once you click on view, you come down and look for strategy tester. This is it right here. Or you press it, you press your Ctrl R keyboard. So mine is already open. The EA we're using to backtest today is the Nova Master EA, my EA. We trade both Bitcoin and gold. So on experts, we're leaving it at Nova Master EA. Then the symbol, since you trade Bitcoin or gold, I can either put any of them. So we'll leave Bitcoin here. Then the time frame we're backtesting on the 1 hour. Then the date, we leave our customized period. So we can pick the exact year we want to backtest. So I'm picking 2020, January 1st, 2020 to December 31st, 2020. Forward, leave it at no. Delay, I like leaving my own at 10 milliseconds. You can pick any, but advisable, just leave it at 0 latency. Ideal for execution, just leave it at that. For me, I like leaving my own at 10 milliseconds. The modeling, you can pick every tick based on rate tick. But for this example, we're using every tick. So the deposits, we leave the deposit at 10,000. The currency, US dollar. Leverage, you can pick any leverage you want, but I prefer 1 to 100. The optimization, we're disabling that. Then the visual mode, we're not picking the visual mode because we don't want to see how it behaves on the charts. We'll do that much later. But right now, we just want to see backtests. That's what we just want to see. So after that, that's pretty much everything. Then you come down to the bottom right, your screen where you see the start button. Then you click on that so it can start backtesting. What will happen now is MetaTrader 5 will backtest your EA from 2020 January to December. So this is the graph. This is backtesting it. Perfect. Done. So what you want to do is click backtest. So on backtest, it's going to show you the net profits, the gross profits, the profit factor, maximum drawdown, absolute drawdown, total amount of trades. So for the year 2020, from January 1st to December 31st, the Nova Master EA made over 466% with a balance of $10,000 from January 1st. After 2020 December 31st, we had a total net profit of 40,669 US dollars. Profit factor of 25.04, which is very, very impressive. Plus a profit factor of 1.5 is very good. For this one, not only 1.5, we're only about 25. Total trades, the total amount of trades it took, 483. Then the maximum drawdown was 0.9%. That's throughout the year, you don't have the drawdown higher than 1%, which is very, very impressive. Let's look at the win rate. The win rate is at 55%, meaning out of the 483 trades, 267 were profitable trades. Then the rest were losing trades. So we're going to look at month by month. Let's see how many months came out profitable out of the 12 months in a year. So while we'll come down and where it says profit and loss by month, we can see January profitable, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So what I'm trying to show you here is that throughout that year, every month was profitable. So that's how you backtest your EA on the MetaTrader 5. So on my next video, I'm going to be backtesting 2021 Same with the 2020. We'll do it for 2021, the for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, then the now 2026.